Good morning guys! Welcome to my channel. Isi-share ko po sa inyo ngayon kung paano magluto ng spinach with dal. Mustard seeds, cumin seed, garlic, onion, ating tomato, chili. This one is garlic and ginger paste. Coriander powder, turmeric, chili paste, water, little bit only. Yung ating spinach, takpan lang po natin siya guys. Ilagay na po natin yung ating dal guys. Ito po yung ating spinach with dal. Spinach with dal is ready to serve.